Okay, so Rocky me fridge na nótaí dark mo na nótaí sa leor and is sean na nótaí sagam sa atala foghlaim agav don Chéadaoin se hugin, right? So ta couple la agav le shaha yenu. So Téama an dain. Buinnen an dan sha le. Ta should clachdi leis an raza shin. Buinnen an scale sha le. Buinnen an scanan sha le. Le Ghrá gan kunter an illa da far Chéala. Now, hopefully you'll remember Ghrá gan kunter, unconditional love. For her husband, da far Chéala. Ach ní dan Ghrá romansul ní dan Ghrá tradiisiúnta níl se cosú leis na sean a roin Ghrá. Jenan an fille iirecht ve réliach, so she makes an effort to be réliach, réadúil, realistic. Níl a lianan, níl a far Chéala, a lianan, her sweetheart, cosú le réaltóg scanan. So, Ní echa scanan Hollywood, níl se cosú le sin mar níl se dahul. Ní far dahul Charby. Ach is cuma lehi. Is cuma liom, I don't care. Is cuma lehi, she doesn't care. Mar ta se jas cinealta, mar is far mai is far cinealta Tan dan sha bonithe an dan, le Shakespeare, my mistress's eyes are nothing like the sun. So bonithe it's based on a sonnet by Shakespeare. Agus sadan sin Jenan Shakespeare cur sias a lianan agus jeran sin nachhfuil si dahul, nachhfuil cuma roias he, nachhfuil si gohalín, but again am Kierna ta Ghrá mór egadi agus ta siad gohumlan in Ghrá lena Chéala. So sada gan in both of these poems, jerta nachhfuil an lianan dahul. There's your free verb in the present tense, folks, and I'm sure Lyfrach, jerta it is said. Nachhfuil an lianan dahul, nachhfuil an sakasha an far Chéala dahul, ach gur cuma leis an illa. But that the poet doesn't care about that. Níl sin táhachtach. Ta gran le fecail, humour, comedy le fecail sadan. Nuair hugan an fille seo cur sias goma leis gil lum doing cuma a fur. When she gives us a cur sias lum, a blunt kind of a description of cuma on fur, of the description of her man. Now that's an example of the genitive, folks, until she'll get the appearance of her man, or the appearance of her husband, chuma a fur rather than far. Now you're going to see Beidir used a few times here. Beidir nachhfuil se cosú le bla erbi. Maybe he's not like, similar to a flower, cosú le nónini. Beidir go bhfuil a thuaille rógar da Chéala. So maybe his eyes are too close together. Beidir go bhfuil a thuaille ró cóngrach da Chéala. Here we go again. Beidir go bhfuil a grúig cosú le gealigne. So maybe his hair is like wires. Beidir nachhfuil grúig gas air. Maybe that is the case. Ach níl sin táhachtach. Is cuma faoi sin. Is cuma faoi chuma an Mar tugann sé úla agus céire finiúna di. Now, so jeran sé sin gur maigad Norton. Jeran sé sin go dogan sé turhi di, but níl muid really go litterthe I kaint faoi hurhi. Úla sin réachtanis an tail, the necessities of life, agus céire finiúna, grapes, sin soana an tail, the luxuries of life. So sé sin le rá go dogan sé arawait don illa agus tashi buíochta sin. She's kind of grateful for that. So ta na nótaí sin le foghlaim agav don Chéadaoin, folks. Now caihi me bheith able to muín a bheith agam asav. I have to be able to trust you to show some maturity here. Go bhfuil na dáanta seo le foghlaim. Ní higlum scrúdú ranga a hort, Steve. I can't give you a written class test under test conditions. So but na jennig you jarmid nach me seo le hahienu agin. An term se hugging, we won't be redoing this poem. Any of the stuff we've covered during COVID and EJ during this time has to be done and dusted because ta cujela than cursa le genuagin. When we do get back together, an term se hugging, or even Riviera na Bliana Shaw, be urshkia le genuagin, we'll have a novel to do, we've other stuff to do. So lewer dull biggie kale or feed rod agus be kincha govola me and tuna noti. De rare Chéala. So if I'm setting it out for you, le vegenta riven Chéadaoin, make sure it's done by an Chéadaoin because be chilu le chop there in Lashan because you'll have more to do then for the Friday. My galore. Okay, gur maig of a carja tugigi aradiv hen. Slán anish.